Here I have Samsung Galaxy J6 and let me show you how to enable the battery saver on the following device. At the very beginning, open the list of all applications, then select the settings. Here you have to find and pick device maintenance, then tap on the battery, and here you can simply tap on power saving mode and select one of the following options. You can pick the mid one and apply it, and since now the power saving mode, the normal one, will be activated. You can also tap on the max, and this mode, even though it's more strict, it will widely extend the life of your battery. Just tap on apply to have it on. The device is activating the ultra power saving mode, and you just have to give it a while because it's a very strict one. Only a few apps will be available on this mode. And that's it. It's how the maximum power saving mode looks like. If you would like to turn it off, just tap on the three dots icon and tap on turn off maximum power saving mode. And the device will switch it off. Again, it may take a while. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.